Okay, so welcome back. So the title of the video is how many tokens you should hold. Really, how many tokens when one person should have? Because that was a big question was happening in my chat, in my DM actually for the last couple of weeks. We all see the crypto market have too many tokens. Few years ago there were much less tokens. Right now on CoinGecko, I'm not sure if you can see here, it says 14,900 coins. That's 15,000 coins, probably there are more, 15,000, over 1,000 exchanges, okay? That is crazy. So when I'm doing this video, the market cap is looking very juicy. What's mean the market is down? What's mean it's time to get in? These prices is not going to be here forever. Listen that right. These prices, this opportunity, we're not going to have them for a long time, okay? Maybe going to be here for some short period, but I think, my personal opinion, very soon we're going to be skyrocketing. Why? Because the fear in index market is looking to 25, and that is amazing. Do you know what that means? Now is the time to get in. Again, nothing here is financial advice, do whatever you want, but according to me, this is the perfect time to get in. Just disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. So this is fear and greed index. When this error is right here around 80, 90, 85, 90, 92, that is the time to take profits. Now is the time to get in. Listen to me, listen what I say, remember these words when we're going to look back in this video few weeks or couple of months after. So the question is how many tokens you need to have, okay? And I will tell you, I have 300 tokens around, but 80 of them doesn't worth anything. They are from the last bull market, I never touched them. So I have around 200 tokens, what I think that is still a lot. But I've been buying, I'm trying to do some experiments, and you know, you cannot keep track on that. So I think this is the real number, but that's up to everybody else. First, we need to see what narrative we want to have. So we have the meme tokens, we have the gaming, we have AI, we have Defi, and also we have real world assets. What's mean there are around 5 good narratives according to me. If every narrative we keep around between 5 and 10 tokens, that means around we need to have around 50 tokens plus few, so around 50-60 tokens in our portfolio. Why? Because let's say we're going to meme tokens, okay? So meme tokens, there are many tokens. So you want to have something or the and also we need to have some blue chips. So we need to have, let's say, few from the high market cap, and we need to have couple of from the low, mid and low market cap. Why? Because you never know how one of them going to perform, because the one what you have in the low market cap can do 50, 100x, and one who is on the top market cap can do only couple of x. So that's why we need to balance everywhere. We need to spread the risk everywhere. That's according to me, and I think that's working very well for the moment. I have, as I said, around 200 tokens. Around 3% it was my meme token in my portfolio, but now they're around 12% because they grow up in the last 6 months, what is crazy. And I start getting into the meme tokens a little bit more because I believe there will be very good opportunity right there, especially now when the price are down a lot to some of them. Okay, so let's go back to the market. Again, you pick up the narratives, you do your research, and you pick up the tokens between 5 and 10 to each narrative, and I think maybe that can be the golden goals. You need to go and pick up nice and blue chips also, Bitcoin, Solana, Toncoin, Cardano, whatever you want, that's up to you. Now, I think the market again is very low. I believe Bitcoin going to hit 100K this year, next year. It's a matter of time. It's not if, it's when. When Bitcoin going to hit 100K, just imagine if Doge token hit, just imagine if Doge token hit $1. What's going to happen with all these crypto market meme tokens? That's crazy. Now, pick up some good AI, pick up some good Defi, pick up some good maybe gaming, and pick up some good real world assets, and I think you will be great in your crypto portfolio. Now, I did a great video yesterday for Lumia. Make sure you watch them. It's a note what's coming in the next few days on the 18th of June. So make sure you watch that video. It's a very good note. If you want to learn about yield farming, make sure you use the link to join for free the Underdog Investor Group. There is a paid and free version. Make sure you join for free so you can see how many information they are, and definitely join the paid one if you want to continue with your learning. If you want to pick up a good crypto gems, make sure you join Portfolio Masters. They finding a low crypto market caps with all these different narratives, which mean they doing the research for you and for me, and this is one of my golden secrets, you know, how I'm finding low market cap gems between 10, 15, 20 million market cap. All right. And now in the comment section, let me know what is your favorite narratives and how many tokens do you hold. Let me know in the comment section because I'm very curious to know how many tokens you own. All right, so thank you so much. I should see you in the next one. Make sure you check every video and leave a comment because you never know when you can win a free giveaway. Thank you.